In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Notary effectively. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with notarizing documents digitally, understanding how to navigate Docusign Notary is essential in streamlining your workflow and ensuring a smooth experience. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently setting up and using this tool in just a few simple steps. Let's begin with the first step. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Docusign website. As the frontrunner in electronic signature solutions and intelligent agreement management, Docusign provides a secure and efficient way to handle documents remotely. Once you're at the site, you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have an account, it's straightforward to set one up. However, for our purposes here, we'll assume you do have an account. After clicking Login, enter your credentials to access your Docusign homepage. The homepage is your central hub for all things Docusign, from managing documents to accessing your user settings. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right of your screen where you'll spot your profile icon. Click on this to open your profile options. Accessing your profile will allow you to manage various aspects of your Docusign account, including notary-related settings. The next thing you want to do is click on the Notary Profile tab. This takes you to the section specifically designed for setting up and managing your notary credentials. Here, all your notary information will be stored and displayed, facilitating a seamless transition to digital notarization. After accessing your notary profile, you'll see an option to register. Click on it. Registration is crucial as it enables you to authenticate your notary status with Docusign, making sure that all your notarizations are recognized and legally binding. Once you've registered, the final step is to create a jurisdiction. Click on Create Jurisdiction. This feature allows you to define the region or area in which you're authorized to perform notarizations. It's an important step in ensuring compliance with legal requirements and is necessary for the proper documentation and validation of the notarized papers. And that's it, you've now successfully set up Docusign Notary. Remember, using this tool not only adds convenience but also enhances the security and reliability of your notary services. By eliminating the need for paper and in-person meetings, you can efficiently notarize documents anytime, anywhere, without compromising on compliance or accuracy. Keep practicing these steps and they will soon become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your core notary duties. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for assistance. Until next time, happy notarizing.